Hey guys, what's up? It's me Khushbu and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, आज का वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल वीडियो है बिकॉज क्योंकि मेरे जो 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं वो पार हो चुके हैं एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल टू ईच वन ऑफ यू हैव सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू यू गाइज. आई लव यू ऑल एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माई चैनल. सो गाइज, आज का वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर एक्चुअली अमेजिंग and are like really fire, and these products are those products that actually worth each penny you have spent. So yes guys, आज का वीडियो वही होने वाला है and again thank you so much and make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video and definitely comment on this video that which product is going to be your favorite. For that you have to watch the whole video. So yeah, let's get started. So the first product that I want to talk about is like this. So this is like the chemist at play underarm roll on. This is actually, like, literally I'm talking, actually a very amazing product. Like this lasts for such a long time. Like this lasts for like very long time. You know, दूसरे दिन तक ये बिल्कुल निकलता नहीं है. दैट इज़ दैट अमेजिंग. ये इतना ज़्यादा सही प्रोडक्ट है कि दूसरे दिन तक भी स्टे करता है. बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग लास्टिंग पावर है इसकी. एंड ये आपके अंडर आर्म्स को लाइटन अप भी करता है. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस फॉर मोर देन 20 days नाउ आई गेस, एंड दिस हैज़ वर्कड really nice for me. I love this product so much and this is definitely a repurchase. I'll repurchase this as many times as I need this. Yes, so this was this one product that I loved and just liked it so much. So the next product is like going to be, now the products that I have right now is going to be all makeup based. This was the only skincare slash body product that I had for this particular video, and now it's going to be all makeup products because you guys know that how much I love makeup. And yeah, so it is going to be all the makeup products. Right, this is the Maybelline's Fit Me Fresh Tint. Okay, so this retails for this retails for 399 rupees, and guys, this is a Fit Me Fresh Tint. I made a personal review on this particular product, and this works like a second skin. Very easy to blend, looks really nice for those days like no makeup look. This is for those days and I love it. I mostly wear this product when I'm going out, and this is definitely a very great buy. And this product is actually fire. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है बट जो एक थिंग जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इतनी खास नहीं लगी इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, द शेड रेंज could have been so better, but they don't really have many shades. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक बुरा पॉइंट है इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. But anyways, this is definitely a very great thumbs up product and you really need to get this if you like lightweight formulas on your face. So this is for you all. The next product that I have is a setting spray. I have not, guys, I have not been a very great fan of, setting sprays, and I have not really used a lot of setting sprays क्योंकि मैं हमेशा घर पे ही मेकअप करती हूँ. So I don't really set my makeup. अगर मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना रहता था तभी मैं मेरी सिस्टर का setting spray यूज़ करती थी. I never really spent on any setting sprays. But when I heard about this Mars Steal the Deal makeup fixer, I was like literally stunned because I was literally so freaking happy when I got my hands on this. This is for like dewy looks, this is not for like perfect matte look. This is for dewy looks, and I trust me guys, you get like around 60 ml of product. I'll get the price on the screen. This is such an amazing product. This gives you dewy finish and this has a long lasting power, and this is definitely budge proof. My base was looking so beautiful after using it. Today I didn't use it, but the day that I used it I felt in I fell in love with this particular product because इतना सही मेकअप सेट करता है, and this actually seals the deal. Your makeup will not go anywhere if you have this setting spray on your face. आपका मेकअप कहीं भी नहीं जाने वाला है. आपका मेकअप इतना ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल लगने वाला है आपके फेस पे, and you won't regret buying this setting spray. If you want to spend on a setting spray, spend on this one because this one product is definitely perfect to set all your makeup, and you really need to get your hands on this. So yes. Next product that I have is a brush, a makeup brush. So this is the NY based duo brush. Guys, I've been seeing this on the Purple app for a very long time and I really wanted to get this. So this has like a duo in this brush, one for blush and the another one for I thought this was like going to be a blush brush only. So I use this for powdering and contour. So this side is basically I use for contour. Like you can see it has like that contour powder. I use this for contour powder, and this side I use for blush. And this works really amazing. It is so cheap and the quality is so great. It is like actually really cheap and the quality is very nice. It's very smooth, works really well. And if you don't want to spend on high-end brushes, you can definitely spend your money on this brush, because this works really well, just like any high-end makeup brushes. Guys, this brush will not disappoint you in any way. This will make this will set your blushes or anything you're using, any powder based products. This will be really nice. And personally saying, this brush is not for cream or cream products. This brush is not for cream products. This brush is only for powder products, and it works really well with powder products. It doesn't work that great with cream products. So yeah, that is what I found out about this brush, and it's definitely a very great deal if you are using powder products with this brush, and I loved it. Next product is like a gem. I love this so much. So I'm talking about this Essence Lash Princess mascara. Oh my god, guys, I love this. This makes my lashes look so beautiful and big, huge, lengthy, voluminous. It makes my lashes look so freaking beautiful. I am not going to lie, this makes my eyelashes look so beautiful, guys. इतना ज़्यादा beautiful लगते हैं मेरे lashes when I use this. Whenever I'm going out, I'm using this mascara because I trust this mascara so much. But the one thing that it is not waterproof. This is if you're going to cry or there is going to be water on your face, this will probably melt, this will probably come off. But this is definitely really nice for if you want your eyelashes to look lengthen, or if you want to lengthen your eyelashes through mascara, or if you want to make them look voluminous. This is definitely a very great mascara. I got it from Myntra. This is such an affordable mascara. This retails for 395 rupees only, and trust me guys, you won't regret buying this, because this is actually a very great product. And this comes in handy, and a very great product. मैंने mascaras भी बहुत यूज़ किए. Maybelline के मेरे favorite mascaras है, but trust me, when I got my hands on this, I wasn't looking anywhere. I was just looking at this beauty, and I love this. And you really need to get this if you like that if you don't really like to put on lashes anyway, you only like to use mascara for the days that you don't really feel like doing anything. This mascara is going to save the whole look, trust me. Next products are these two glosses. Okay, so first is this from Blue Heaven Lush and Juicy Lip Plumping Wand with avocado oil and vitamin E. So this is this Blue Heaven lip gloss in the shade Unicorn, and the other one is this Inside Cosmetic. This is super affordable. This is only for like 80 rupees, and trust me guys, both of these glosses are chef's kiss. Amazing. Like, I love how they stay on my lips. These are not like will feel very heavy or on your lips, और बहुत ज़्यादा heavy feel होगा आपके lips पे, या बहुत ज़्यादा easily lips के बाहर आ जाते. मैंने Swiss Beauty का यूज़ किया था, वो like literally मेरे lips के बाहर आ जा रहा था, but that was also really nice on top of any lipstick. But talking about these two, I love them guys. I love them. They are very great, stays on your lips for a really good amount of time and looks really beautiful. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी लगते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ ठीक है लगा लिया फिर निकल जाएंगे, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ब्लू हेवन्स वन, दिस ऑल्सो प्लम्प्स योर लिप्स, गिव्स यू दैट लिटिल सेंसेशन ऑन योर लिप्स, एंड देन इट डजंट लाइक रियली plump that much, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but definitely gives you a very nice subtle plumped look. So that's why this is an amazing product. And this is like my favorite. I even made a shot on it. Just like lipstick लगा लो या यूं ही इसको लगा लो, this will look warm. So like these were like all the favorite products that I found really fire this time. And मेरे को ना ये products बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आए guys, because especially each especially for this video I really wanted to come up with something helpful for you guys कि आपको spend करना चाहिए इन particular चीज़ों पे. एंड मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ये ऑल ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्राई एनी ऑफ दोज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. एंड अगर कुछ भी है तो आप कमेंट्स में मुझे बता सकते हैं. सो येस गाइज, दैट वाज इट विद द वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड डो नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग thumbs up. Yes, so yeah, that was it guys. Bye bye.